Hi guys, I'm Rasmus. I'm here with Louise and Lucas, and today we're going to cut Lucas's hair as the FC Barcelona football player Antoine Griezmann. Are you up for it?
Yes, sir.
So Louise, how do you plan to cut it?
I plan on cutting it a little bit shorter on the sides, maybe a small taper fade in the neck, and then we're gonna keep the length on top.
All right, let's get to it.
Hello, my name is Lucas Marvek and I'm a 22-year-old student from Slovakia. I study value chain management and I work as a quality engineering student worker at Morel. I'm really happy to be here at Slikhaar to fix this up.
Okay guys, so now we've washed the hair, we're gonna part it and we're gonna remember to make the partings very nice and fresh. And then we're gonna dry the sides and we're gonna use the machines to cut it. So now that we've dried the sides, we're gonna use the machine. It's a 9mm because it's not too short and it's not too long. It's the perfect length for a classic haircut. Okay, so now I'm gonna set a guide in the back, and it's because I want to connect this to make a nice shape. I've made my guide on one side. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other and connect it to this guide. I used the 9mm and now I'm gonna use the 6mm, and we're gonna make like a small taper fade in the neck and just the neck, so he's not gonna get like a high fade. Okay, so now I've used the 6mm, I still need to do the 3, but now I can see if I have any areas where there's like a tiny shadow, I go in with my scissors to make it perfect. Now I used the 3mm. I made a small taper fade just in the neck, and I've used it right about on the sides here. And now I'm gonna use the small one to clean up the edges. Okay, so now I've cleaned the edges. It's super fresh and sharp. And now we're gonna blend this. We're gonna cut it together really nice. Now I'm gonna use the thinning scissors to get like the perfect blend. And you use the thinning scissors because with the regular scissors it's not gonna be that blended, but this one does the deal. Okay, so now we're about to cut the top, and we're gonna like make a trim but not take too much of the lengths. We're gonna point cut it so we get like a texturized cut, and yeah, to give it like a nice feeling. Okay, now we're gonna use the Psychic Zero, and we're gonna use it to give like a lot of volume, and because Lucas, he has kind of thin hair, it's gonna give like a lot of volume and make it look full and nice. Okay, so now I'm just gonna use a little bit of POWERMADE just on the palm of my hands, and I'm just gonna pull it just on the outside of the hair, just to give like a little bit of shine, but not messing up the look that we've achieved. Okay guys, so now we're finished with the hairstyle. And Lucas, how do you like it?
It's amazing, you did such a good job. Thank you so much.
Thank you, it suits you very well.
I'm actually curious, which products did you use to get my hair this way?
Well, I used the Vilain SIDEKICK Zero, and I blow dried your hair and made sure it got a lot of volume in it. And then I used the DYNAMITE clay and the POWERMADE from Vilain.
Great, thanks so much.
You're welcome. Okay guys, so now we're done, and please let me know in the comments what you think about the haircut. And remember to give this video a big thumbs up, and you can be the winner of 3 nice Vilain hair products. See you guys next time. Energy! It's Monday. Yeah, I know.